What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to, on Canva, create puzzles that you can print and sell into a simple, fast and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, open your Canva and go to custom size, okay? Once right here, go to print into this little left side of menus. We have popular options. Use this little arrow. I would like that you use this letterhead A4. That is the most common paper size we have, okay? So we have now a piece of paper and we need to upload our image to fulfill this paper. So review the left sidebar of menus, scroll down until you find the option called Uploads. Click on Upload File, select the file that I would like to upload, select our picture, upload. This is just one example. Make the picture cover the entire image, the entire paper, just like this. I think it's fancy. Now we need to create the puzzle. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, click on Elements, and right here you're gonna search for puzzle. So puzzle, just like this, puzzles. Now I'm gonna need to find one that fits into my piece of paper. This one looks okay, but I would like a better one. There are a couple of puzzles. This one looks nice. I think this one is the best option for us. Let me just make it roll just a little bit. 9 degrees. Now let's move it just like this. And here we have a puzzle, but click on it into the first layer, that is the puzzle. Click right here into transparency, reduce the transparency. Should not make the line that bigger. Just like this, I think is okay. Then all we have to do is go to the upper right corner of your screen into share, click on download, change from print standard to PDF print. It's best for printing, and the color format gonna be the second one, best for professional printing. Now all I have to do is download. Go to a graphic and download this paper. Cut the pieces and you have your puzzle, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and more tutorials. And I'll see you guys later. All the best!